Did you know that something as small as muskmelon seeds could be a giant leap for your health? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as surprising as it is important: the incredible health benefits of muskmelon seeds. From controlling blood pressure to boosting your immune system, these tiny seeds are packed with nutrients. Stick around to uncover how these little wonders can have a big impact on your health. First off, let's talk about what muskmelon seeds are. Muskmelon, also known as cantaloupe, often gets enjoyed for its juicy flesh, but many discard the seeds. However, these seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. Now let's break down the key benefits of muskmelon seeds. Muskmelon seeds are rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps manage blood pressure. Potassium works by balancing out the negative effects of salt, helping to relax blood vessel walls. This results in better blood flow and lowered pressure. Imagine managing your blood pressure naturally just by incorporating some seeds into your diet. Next up, boosting your immune system. These seeds come packed with vitamin C, a proven immunity booster. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are crucial in fighting off infections. With the current health scenario around the world, who wouldn't want that extra shield? But that's not all. Muskmelon seeds have more to offer. They're also rich in antioxidants, which fight off free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. And for those looking to manage weight, these seeds are low in calories but high in fiber, making them a perfect snack. Vitamins A, C, and E are found in melon seeds, which makes the skin healthy. Muskmelon seeds help in increasing the collagen, which decreases with age. Eating melon seeds keeps the skin healthy. Now, how can you incorporate these seeds into your diet? It's quite simple. You can roast them for a crunchy snack, or grind them into a powder and add to smoothies, soups, or salads. Here's a quick recipe to get you started. Take a handful of muskmelon seeds, clean them, and let them dry. Once dry, toss them with a little olive oil and salt, then roast them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And there you go, a healthy, crunchy topping for your meals. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. Always ensure to eat these seeds in moderation. Consult your doctor if you have any health concerns, especially related to allergies. If you've enjoyed today's topic on the benefits of muskmelon seeds, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. We love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Remember, sometimes great things really do come in small packages.